Okay, folks. Be downright honest with you. I just got tired. So I didn't do all the stuff that I said I was going to do. But it's going to serve its purpose. Got me that tin roof, fixed the floor, put the back on, got them some fresh shavings, got their heat lamp, got their thermometer, and they're not cold right yet, but they can move away from that heat if they get too hot. Right now they're just getting away from me. I got their water over there. I don't like having the food right next to the water because they stick it in there. But anyway, they're starting to eat a lot, so I got the regular one. I got a preservative jar, and I put some strawberry jam in there. Then their water. There's 6 Muscovy ducks. They're pretty when they're young. Alright, I got to confess, the house smelled like duck. So now it's all cleaned up. Got their brooder box out. Got them in this new brooder. It won't take them but a couple of weeks, maybe only a week, to catch up with them chickens. Then I'll put them in there with them. Once they get some feathers, they're pretty tough animals. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I know I ain't got my hat on. Got long hair, that ain't me, but I'll get my hair cut before long. Y'all have a good evening.